This will be fish number one. Of course, I wasn't recording, but we were out here at Caddo trying some very warm crappie fishing. Not real experienced with it, but we're gonna see how it goes. Today we're fishing with bobbers. Kind of everywhere, but so far the best ones have been 19 feet deep, maybe, in 20 foot of water, so they're almost glued to the bottom. See how it goes. Hope to have a good day. Yes, I did. Man, why'd you have to gut hook it? Five. So far, biggest tip that I can give anybody for summertime crappie fishing: make that leader long before you put the weight on it. Couldn't help himself. Damn, I should have known. Well, that fish was hung up around that tree for a little bit too long. It's actually pretty cool because, if you can see that, baby. Boat flip, that's what's up. That is a beautiful fish. Lose count. Number 7. Just mount in so we can get some good footage of that bobber going under. I know I love it. So satisfying. Why didn't you tell me you were on there? So finicky, but with that long leader, it helps. It does help. Goodness, that was a handicap. I have found a lucky hook. Sitting in the bottom of the tackle box. For some reason, I am not prepared today at all. about to lose another one if I don't. Ooh. Oh yeah, I don't know what that is, but that is a big